Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to hide the camera cutout on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display, scroll down. Here you can see the option camera cutout. So here you can see two type of options, show camera cutout and hide camera cutout. Okay, and let me show you how to enable or how to hide the camera cutout on this device. So simply here I am going to open the option calendar. Now you can see the camera cutout is visible, right? So let me show you how to disable the camera cutout for this calculator. So again go to settings, select the option calculator, select the option hide camera cutout. Now after this one again open the camera calendar. Now you can see the camera cutout is disabled or hidden. Okay, so simply in this way we can hide the camera cutout on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.